Today I'm going to do a crochet quiz with 5 questions. Let's see how many you get right. Where did crochet first appear? South America, Europe, or Asia? If you said Europe, you're right. What term was used for crochet in the early years? Farmer sewing, shepherd's knitting, or nobleman's needlework? If you said shepherd's knitting, you're right. True or false, crochet is most often done with 2 needles. If you said false, you're right. In crochet terminology, what does BCR stand for? If you said back cross stitch, you're right. What common crochet stitch is abbreviated SC? If you said single crochet, you're right. I hope you had fun, and thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.